Welcome to Spyder. Today we'll be working on a 2022 Ford F-150 taillights. Tools required will be masking tape, handheld ratchet with an 8mm socket, T20 with an extension. Now let's get started. First, we open tailgate. Next, we'll apply masking tape to prevent any damage. Next, remove the two 8mm bolts. Unseat taillight. Disconnect the two plugs. Make sure to have something soft in order to protect the taillight lens. Remove 4 T20 screws. Carefully unseat the BSM module. Disconnect BSM module. Bring in your new taillight. Connect the BSM module. Carefully seat the BSM module. Make sure module sits properly. Reinstall the 4 T20 screws. Now we're ready to install the new taillight. Install new taillight. Connect the two plugs. Make sure that the guide pins align with the mounting tabs. Reinstall the two 8mm. Repeat the process on the other side. Remove masking tape on both sides. Close the tailgate. Now we're ready for the functions.